we just switch to the 5-minute time frame, it is going to be way, way, way easier to identify high of day and low of day, okay? First 5-minute entry trigger that gets made after the market opens plays out, all right? Target, easy, could have been data low. What's the stop loss on this? Way too big. So in this case, I would probably need like a 1-minute entry trigger out of this 5-minute, which we don't get, right? You would have to take this with a smaller size. So it would look like this. This is a really big stop though. 50-point stop, holy shit. And then data low is like a 1 to 3.7. Not really worth it in my opinion. It's also very close to market open, 9:45. It's all right. What you could do is just, I mean, the CE of this doesn't get tapped. That would have been ideal because then we get a 25-point stop. That's a 1 to 8, way, way better. Or just use like the 25% of it, which gets tagged. It's really up to you how much risk you want to put on. 1 to 5.3. It's up to you how much risk you want to put on. You got to weigh the risks, right? Is it worse to get edged, aka not get an entry at all? Or is it worse to get stopped with a big stop and a lower risk reward? Up to you, all right? I'm not going to decide how you trade. People prefer different things. We're always going to be different. That's fine. Now, that was a short setup though. I don't want shorts. I want longs. And I would have shifted longs after we took data low. However, there is no 5-minute entry trigger after we take out data low until down here, which essentially would have just saved me all those little losses that the 1-minute entry triggers had, right? First 5-minute entry trigger bullish after the market opens, after we take my draw, plays out, low of day, okay? This is a more relaxing way to trade. It is less stressful. But it also takes longer. You're gonna have to be 5 times more patient than if you're trading the 1-minute time frame, okay? And you're gonna miss some entries. So it's really up to you how high your trade frequency you want it to be.